Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to insert image on Microsoft Excel. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Excel. For that, open any blank document and then click on Insert tab. Now here on the illustrations option you can see pictures, then just click here. Now here you can see two options, place in cell and another is place overall. Now if you select place in cell, then you can insert a picture directly in the cell. The picture can be moved, short, filtered and referenced in the formula, and that's it. On the other hand, if you select place over cells, then you can insert the picture on the top of the grid, floating outside the boundaries of cells, and that way you can choose any option as you want. If I select place over cells, now here you can see three options, this device, stock images, online pictures. If I select stock images, and that's it. Now from here you can choose any image or picture as you like. Suppose if I select it and then click on insert, and that's it. You can see the image has been inserted successfully. You can resize your image from here, and using this simple method you can resize your image. Also that way you can change your image position, and that's it. Also if you want to customize your image, you have to just select it and then click on picture format tab, and here it is. And that is how you can insert image on Microsoft Excel. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.